Okay, this is the video on the 15-minute part 2, and let me just show you what's going on here. The currency I'm using is EUR and GBP, British Pound. Okay, right there, 15-minute. Okay, and the date is right down here. I'm just gonna show you this little cluster right here. Just focus on this right now, okay? And the date is down here. It's probably on June 2nd, 2016, about 8 o'clock or so here in the morning. But just focus on this so you can understand. The yellow line here, let me go back here. The yellow line here is the 26 moving average, okay? Just focus on this little cluster. You see how the candle is below the yellow line here? See here, it comes back down below the yellow line right here, comes back down here, and then goes back up, and then you almost hit this yellow line and then drops back down, okay? So you have, the strategy is you have to have some kind of indicator that tells you that the market's going to drop down, okay? Focus on this. This is 15-minute, okay? Now let's just go to the 5-minute, see how it looks. So the 5-minute it's a little bit different, but you have to go back to let me zoom out a little bit. It should be right about here. So I'll zoom in and then move back to here. You see that too? If you trade the 5-minute, it's the same theory, same idea. So I have to zoom back here. Okay, where did it go? Okay, should be right around here somewhere. But that's the idea. See, here the candles goes down here. So June on the 8th should be something like this. Something here. 8 o'clock. January 2nd, 8 o'clock, right here. So it goes down, comes back up, and drops. See the yellow lines on top? That means the trend's going down. But when it hits like this, you're not sure which way the market's going, don't trade yet. But that's the idea behind it. Okay? So let's go back to the 15-minute. And let's look at the same one here. Okay. So let's just watch this now. This is part 1. So look at this and get an understanding of what your candlestick is doing. You see this goes, it drops below the yellow line, all the way down. Do not trade yet. Wait till it comes back up to somewhere here, and then trade. Let's focus on this first before I even do the Fibonacci. Just get a study. You see this one comes back up, down, and then goes down again, comes back up to this, and then drops down again. And this comes back up, not all the way up, but it drops down. And then this time, it comes back up, past this yellow line here, the 26 moving average, and it goes up. See that? So just scroll back here some more. You see up here is above the yellow line. The yellow line is above the bottom now. Look, it goes back up, comes back down, almost touch that, and goes back up. See that? Understand this first, okay? This is the very first step you need to understand. If it's doing this way, don't trade. This is very messy and doesn't move very much. Okay, let's go back somewhere here. This is no good right here. This is no trade here. No trade here. You may be able to get some trade here. See, it goes back up, comes back down. Yellow line's right here, goes back up. But doesn't move much. No trade here, okay? Let's go back here. I wouldn't trade something like this. Doesn't move much there. Trying to show you some good trade. This one may be good. See, it comes down here, goes back up, drops back down. This will be a good trade. Your trade would take place right here. So for now, just focus on look at this candle and the 26 moving average. Okay, that's the first step. Get an understanding of that first. Okay, and I'll show you the Fibonacci. When you're ready, just study these, see what the market is doing, you see how the candle's moving. Get an understanding of that first. Alright?